Hi everyone, Bea here. I have treated myself to a little plein air toy or two, thanks to an Instagram offer that I saw from GoDraw, a palette making company. So that kind of gives away what it's going to be. But let's get into these boxes and see what we've got. I have opened it because I didn't know what it was, but I haven't gone in there and had a look. So let's crack it out and have a little see. So I know what that is because you can see through the packet. And just to prove that it is GoDraw, it says it on the front of all the boxes, which I did know because, like I said, I did open the box because I didn't know what it was. Now I'm going to put this one to one side for a minute because it was actually these that came as part of the offer pack. So one of these is one size palette, one is the freebie palette, and one is the little art pad that you can purchase as part of a kit. So let's open the art pad, seeing as it's the obvious one. So there we go. Very cute little pad there. I love that it's actually like a landscape shape as well. I usually use square ones that I frankly make myself, but I thought, seeing as I was getting the art pad, the palette, sorry, I would go with the art pad as well, just so that I can say that I've had it. So here we are. I chose the brown one because obviously I go out and about and they get dirty. And I will pop the specs on the screen for you so that you can see what the specs are for this little pad. I'm happy to use it. I've heard lots of good stories about it, and I watch lots of YouTube videos from people who already use these kits, so I thought, why not? It's brand new. It's not even been creased. Look, you see there? And as you can see, there are a lot of pages, which is awesome. So you've got the option of doing a single page or a cross spine, which is like a super landscape. And obviously, you've got the little elastic to hold it closed. Now I'm not sure which one's which out of these because obviously they're both in the same box, but they are slightly different. So I will crack them out and I'll let you know which one it was that I purchased. So let's go with this one. Oh, it's so cute. Look how cute it is. It comes with a little bulldog clip. I'm not sure what they're called in other countries, but in this country, that's a bulldog clip. And I use lots of them just to prove it. Blue one. They're all over my desk. This one's a little bit bigger than I usually use, but this is the point of it. Boop. So you would clip this to the paint pad. I think this is the one that I got for free. So let's crack this one out and see if I'm right. I think I bought one that was slightly larger. Yes, I did. There it is, look. And it's also got its own little clip. Oh, the box is attacking us. So we'll pop that clip. I like them open. We'll pop that clip over there. And as you can see, it's a little bit bigger, this one. This one has got 8 holes. And this one, that magnet is so strong to say it's just one on the side. This one has got a few more. So we've got 11 holes in this one. So this one's the one that I purchased. And this was the one that you got free if you made a purchase of another palette. And that was the Instagram offer. So I thought, why not? As you can see there, not that you do this when you're out and about, but the magnets hold it together no matter what. I even tapped that on the table, look, and it's gone a bit wonky, but it didn't come apart. So that magnet is pretty amazing. I'm not winning. Am I winning? Can't work paper. There we go. Oh, it's a little bit stuck together. So we'll start on this page. So this is the one that I purchased. So if you were going to paint on this side, you would clip it over here, like so. You'd have your colours in there and paint on there. So again, same would go with the other little palette to just give you a little bit more space around the edge. There we go. So again, paint away, pop it on the other side if you're wanting to use this side, and carry on regardless. I'm very excited to use these, and now I will crack open the other one. Now the reason that I got the other one when I'd already got these is because I saw a message on Instagram, and I feel bad because I've already told you that I have one of the fakes. The fake ones are causing severe issues to the orders for GoDraw, and there was the possibility that the company might go under. I'm hoping that it's turned around. I've not heard anything further on Instagram. I am keeping an eye out because it's a wonderful little company of a gentleman and a lady who've put these together from the start. They started out making pochard boxes but wanted something a little more portable, and I've actually designed these from scratch and were making them all. I believe they still make them all, but do check out the GoDraw Instagram because it's all on there. They're also on the website. But I thought, seeing as there was the possibility of these guys going under, I would treat myself to the big palette, with the possible intention of using this one for gouache. I'm probably going to use these smaller ones for watercolour, but I think I'm probably going to use, I mean the clip is bigger, probably going to think about using this one for gouache just because I'll be able to transport a little bit more of it. So this is the size that I've got. Give me 1 second. So here is the Naughty Cheat one from Amazon. You can see obviously that this is fake wood, this is real wood. I'll put the specs on the screen now for you for this product. This is the one that I bought that is a Naughty Cheap one. Sorry GoDraw, I was a poor artist when I bought this one. And I'm going to show you how awful the magnets are. I'm not pulling that. That's just going. Sorry for the little noise there, guys, but I was just making a point. It does not hold. So you have to have it clipped to your paper. And I don't think you can see, but there's no white on the inside of there. This is plastic underneath, and it does stain. It's permanently yellow from using cadmium when I first took it out. But I wanted to show you the crappy one so that you can see the difference. Now this is GoDraw. Woo! Like I say, I'm excited because I really want to use this one for gouache. The little one that I've currently got, I carry around in my dog walking bum bag, and I'm hoping that this one, oh, it's a really strong magnet, not moaning, that's the point. And there you go. Now obviously there's no paint in it, so it will get a little bit heavier, but in comparison, this one is actually heavier because it's wood, it's real wood. It's got ceramic in there, it's not a little bit of plastic. But as you can see, these are much bigger wells than the other two that I've got. So I thought it'd be good for gouache, because I tend to use quite a lot of gouache when I'm out and about plein airing, just because it uses quicker than the watercolours do. So I thought the little one's for watercolour, the big one for the gouache. And like I say, I did not want to miss out, because this poor little company is having a lot of issues, and like I say, I'm really sorry GoDraw, and I really can't wait to have a go with these beautiful little palettes. So I'll give you a little side by side with the rubbish one, just so you can see the difference. Obviously I've used this one, but it is significantly lower quality, as I'm sure you can probably see. So I will put the links everywhere to both GoDraw's Instagram and website, anywhere that I can pop them for you so that you can have a look. I will be filling these up very soon so I can go out and play. It took a little bit longer than I anticipated to come because obviously it's a foreign company and I didn't pay attention to that. So these have only recently come and the sun is shining right now and I want to go out and play, so I'll be filling these up after this video. But I can tell you that I am putting them upside down for starters. Oh, they're all sticking together. Putting them all together so that I can go out and play very soon. And I'm sure you'll see these in upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Let me know if you've got these palettes or this little art pad at all, or if you've had anything from GoDraw, because they do some beautiful little pochard boxes as well. Other than that, if you haven't, pop out, jump onto their Insta, see if there's any offers, or run over to the website and make yourself a purchase. These are excellent quality. Just before I go, I will give you the specs. So this is the art pad that comes with this size, and the specs are on screen now. The specs for our original purchase are on the screen for this little one. And again for this one. And finally for the largest one. Check them out, there's lots of other options. You can go palette, you can go pack, you can go full drawing kit. Get over there now, have a look. I'm sure these are going to be wonderful. I will do a review after I've used them a few times, and like I say, keep an eye out for the artwork, guys. It'll be coming in the shorts and reels soon. Bye for now, have a great day and be happy. Toodaloo.